Follow this video to know how to do a beard shape up and fade. Many ask, how do I shape up the beard using my trimmers at this angle? Is because I use my trimmers like a pencil, so I carve out shapes. From the other angle, you push into it. From this angle, I carve out a shape. I flatten the sides with the one, getting it flat. Then I reverse it around and then I go up with the open one, fading it all out. I move up slightly, then I close the lever and I keep flicking it out. Then I move up slightly, then with the open blade by itself, I just flick out the top. Then I keep closing the levers just a little bit till I faded it out to skin at the top of his beard. I won't spend too long on this area. I'll go back to shaping up the beard, refining that line to make it even cleaner. I then move into cutting the strands of the hair because this will make the beard look more dense, full and whole. Many people leave it because they feel like I don't want to cut my beard down, but this will make your beard look better. Trust me. You've been in a cut with SliderCuts, how to do a beard shape up and fade.